These AirPods have transparency, active noise cancellation, spatial audio, and they cost $249. Something's not right. These AirPods have transparency, active noise cancellation, spatial audio, and they cost $179. You got what I mean. These are AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation. I've been using them for about 2 weeks now, and I might have a strong case against the Pros now. Now, let me preface this by saying I've been using the AirPods Pro since day one in 2019. No real issues with them, whether it was the first gen or the second gen, no major complaints. There was always this one little annoyance, the silicone tips. And I'm not talking about the fit. Now, the tips themselves, over time, just get gross. Do yours turn yellow? Cause mine sure do. Yeah, comment down below how dirty my ears are. No, I shower every day, okay? And yeah, I'm sorry for bringing it up, but I know some of you who can relate. So when Apple dropped these budless AirPods with ANC, I was hyped to give them a shot. And I gotta say, they're pretty awesome, but they're not perfect. Let's talk fit. Apple claims they've once again studied a bazillion ear shapes to come up with this new ergonomic design, and for me it works. They fit snug, don't budge even if I'm running or shaking my head like I'm at a concert. But I let a few friends try them out, and for one of them, it wasn't the best experience. They actually found them uncomfortable, which is why that friend stuck with the Pros. Now, the lack of ear tips is kind of double-edged sword. On the plus side, gives you a super comfortable fit. There's no pressure inside your ear like with silicone tips, but on the flip side, if that shape doesn't work for your ears, well, you're kind of out of luck. And trust me, the fit also plays a big role in how effective the active noise cancellation is. Let's talk about the ANC then. This isn't some gimmicky feature just thrown in for marketing points. It actually works, but maybe not in the way you would expect. If you've never used AirPods with active noise cancellation before, you are going to be amazed by how much outside noise these block out, as long as they fit well in your ears. Even for me, after years of using the AirPods Pro, I was still surprised at how quiet things got. But they are not perfect. The active noise cancellation here isn't as powerful as what you'll find in the AirPods Pro 2 or even the first gen Pros for that matter. It struggles a bit with really low frequencies, which is super noticeable when you are on a plane, for example. I flew from Dubai using only these AirPods 4, and yeah, I could still hear the engine noise. So it's really about a combination of factors: the fit, your environment, and even your own hearing. If you're somewhere super noisy and they fit well, the noise cancellation is going to impress. But if the fit is off and you are in a not so loud place, you're still gonna hear a lot of what's happening around you. With the Pros, those silicone tips kind of fix the fit issue for me, so keep that in mind if you're choosing between the two. What I like about AirPods is that they already come in a case, but my iPhone and my Mac doesn't, which is a bummer. I'm guilty of just tossing my MacBook in a case and calling it a day. But recently I thought, why not show my Mac some love too? So I decided to level up with a couple of bags from the sponsor of today's video, Maverick. Specifically a briefcase and a backpack. The Manhattan leather briefcase is all about style and function. Made from genuine Saffiano leather, it looks and feels luxurious. Has multiple compartments, a padded laptop sleeve, and a front zip pocket for easy access to essentials. It's sturdy and durable, though a bit heavier than a backpack, but for a timeless, high-quality briefcase, it's worth the investment. For those who prefer backpacks, the Explorer Light Backpack Plus is lightweight with comfy shoulder straps and enough compartments for your laptop and more. The water-resistant vegan leather adds durability, and the minimalist design makes it practical for any occasion. While it's not as luxurious as the briefcase, it strikes a great balance of style and functionality at a more affordable price. So which one's better for you? If you value classic style and durability, go with the Manhattan leather briefcase. But if versatility and comfort are your priorities, the Explorer Light Backpack Plus is a great option. Both are high quality and stylish, so you can't go wrong either way. Click the link in the description and enter a special promo code Arthur15 for a 15% discount. Alright, let's talk about transparency mode. It's really good. Honestly, I'd say it's even better than the Pros, and for a pretty obvious reason. See, with AirPods Pro, they've got to actively listen to everything around you and then play it back. The AirPods 4 do that and let natural sound in thanks to the open design, and there is no delay, zero. Now on the Pros, even if there was a tiny lag, you probably wouldn't notice, but here you definitely would, if it existed, but it doesn't. The sound from the AirPods and the noise from the real world are perfectly in sync. I'm not a big audiophile. My tastes are pretty straightforward. I'm not huge into bass and I don't really chase after those high frequencies, so the neutral sound of the AirPods is perfect for me. It's just balanced. There's no one frequency overpowering another. It's just nice, especially if you're using Apple Music. Apple Music is a whole vibe with these, by the way. There are so many tracks mastered by Dolby Atmos and spatial audio, and they sound incredible on the AirPods 4. Honestly, just as good as they do on the AirPods Pro 2. The quality, the details, the way the sound surrounds you, it's all there. My ears can tell the difference. And trust me, my playlist is all over the place. Rock, rap, R&B, even a bit of classical, and every genre sounds great. Plus the ability to spatialize any song, that's next level. Just makes everything sound fuller, more immersive. And I gotta mention the new head nod feature. This thing is slick. When someone calls, Siri tells me who it is, and all I have to do is nod to pick up or shake my head to decline. And guess what? It works every time. I've actually cut myself using it constantly. It's just so convenient to nod instead of reaching for my phone. Now, as much as I've been praising the AirPods 4, there are definitely some features I miss. For starters, no swipe gestures for volume control. Remember how on the AirPods Pro 2 you can just swipe up or down on the stem to change the volume? Yeah, not happening here. You are back to the OG setup. Press to play, pause, or take a call. You know the deal. Another thing is that there is no MagSafe compatibility. The case is actually so small that it doesn't align with the MagSafe charger like the AirPods Pro 2. I mean, it will charge, but it's not sticking magnetically, which is kind of disappointing. The good news is that it still works with Apple Watch chargers, so there's that. Speaking of the case, it's great, super compact, and it's good as speaker for Find My, which is a lifesaver if you tend to misplace things. But you know what it's missing that really bums me out? Precision finding with the U1 chip. That means if these bad boys slip between your couch cushions, it's not gonna be as easy to track them down. I know for most people that's not a big deal, but I'm fully on board the U1 train at this point. Everything I own has it. I even have AirTag for whatever reason, so yeah, the lack of U1 is a bit of a letdown for me. What about the battery life? Honestly, who cares? I mean, I never really drained my AirPods completely, and I'm guessing you don't either. It's more than enough for regular use, plus they charge quickly, so you are good to go. It's a non-issue really. Now the big question, should you actually buy these? Here's the dilemma. AirPods 4 are $169 in Amazon right now, and AirPods Pro 2 are retailing for $189. That's just a $20 difference. For that extra $20, you're getting way better noise cancellation, some cool upcoming hearing aid features, a better case with a U1 chip, and a few other upgrades. On paper, AirPods Pro 2 are definitely the better deal, but it really boils down to what you want. If you're cool with the ear tips, go for the Pros. If you want the most unobtrusive fit possible, the AirPods 4 might be your best pick. Though if it were me, I would wait for a sale and try to snag either of them for even less. And hey, if you're leaning toward the AirPods Pro 2, make sure to check out my full long-term review. Thanks for watching, and I will see you there.